Today we will show you an amazing dashcam that can protect you and your vehicle with a broader front view and high-quality video resolution. Before we unbox and show its features, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon. Let's open this box and see what's inside. You will get user manual, electrostatic film for sticky mount, cabin camera, rear camera, dash camera, 32 GB SD card, let's install this camera. Rayfoto dashcam provides a 170 degrees front camera, a 165 degrees inside camera, and a 165 degrees rear camera to protect yourself from potential liability issues as well as accidents. Dashcam front and rear with Sony IMX415 sensor make night images more evident. Improve the low-light sensitivity and precise imaging in low-light environments. The combination of f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lenses has professional WDR and HDR technology. The built-in GPS module enables the car dash camera to record your driving route, driving speed, and other information, which will become your important evidence. The 4K dashcam also has built-in Wi-Fi with an easy connection to your smartphone app. With the CACam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. Video files can be downloaded to smartphones and shared with your friend by social media. Dashcam has many functions like you can select video resolution, adjust playback mode, security monitor while parking, enable or disable Wi-Fi, adjust system settings and more useful functions. The car dash cam can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video. Seamless loop recording will automatically overwrite old files. The recording will be looped automatically. Each Rayfoto car dash cam comes with a 32 GB SD card. Every customer is fully covered by a 1-year warranty. Product purchase link mentioned is description. Please visit and get yours. Please also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon.